Is MailChimp down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with MailChimp right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with it. As you can see here, I already went on Twitter and I went on their status page and they are already saying 13 minutes ago, our engineering team is investigating connection issues affecting users and they are working toward a fix. We'll share updates here. Also, guys, if you go to Twitter and if you search for MailChimp and then if you go to the latest, you will see that people are complaining right now. They also said our engineering team is investigating connection issues. People are complaining with MailChimp right now. So as you can see here, you are not the only one who has problems with it. You don't have to worry about it because there are a lot of people who have also issues with MailChimp right now. And they already said that they are investigating the problem and they are working towards a solution. So you just have to wait until they fix it. So guys, if you do have issues with MailChimp right now, you can comment in the comment section down below with your problems, if it's still down, if it's working, what specific problems do you have. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic and turn on the notification bell because I'll post another update soon and you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.